thirst. To feel a need to drink, to have a strong desire for something. Did you know we are all water creatures? It makes up 60% of your body, 70% of your brain, 80% of your blood. While you can go almost a month without food, your body can't survive 1 week without water. The same water that existed on Earth billions of years ago still exists today. It covers most of the planet, but just 3% is fresh water, and almost all of that is ice. Less than 1% of all fresh water is readily accessible for human use. To put it another way, less than 0.007% of all the water on Earth is available to drink. Did you know? A quarter of all the clean water that enters your home is used to flush toilets. One toilet flush uses over 11 liters. A single load of laundry, about 150 liters. 10-minute shower, almost 200 liters. Brushing with the tap running, 15 liters. Brushing with the tap off, 1 liter. Did you know? A water crisis is looming. Our water sources are under pressure. In the 20th century, the world's population tripled. The use of water has multiplied by 6. By mid-century, the world's population will reach 9 billion. Most people will be born in countries already experiencing water shortages. What will that mean for water use? 20 years from now, the average supply of water is expected to be reduced by at least a third. Millions of people in the world live on less than 12 liters each day. That's how much you use when you flush the toilet. Remember? On an average, Saudis consume 286 liters of water a day per person. That's the third highest after USA and Canada. 25 million refugees were displaced by contaminated rivers last year. That's more than were forced to flee from war zones. 1 in 3 people lack access to adequate sanitation. 1 in 8 don't have access to safe drinking water. According to the UN, a child dies from a water-related disease every 15 seconds. It is believed wars will be fought over water, not politics. We need to work together to find a solution. This is a global problem. We are going to run out of water before we run out of oil. Due to overpumping, the groundwater in several countries is almost gone. Depleted aquifers lead to cutbacks in grain harvests, which lead to more food shortages and higher prices. China is already developing large grain deficits, as are India, Pakistan, and Egypt. Our water problem is fast becoming a hunger problem. So what does it all mean? It's a thirsty world. Industry is thirsty. Agriculture is thirsty. We are thirsty. Our region's unique climate and low precipitation means less freshwater resources for us. Our high consumption and lack of water conservation means no more water, which means no more life. Unfortunately, 24 kids might have died during this video. It's time to give water a second thought. Our water, our life.